Today we're going to take a walk through a 2016 Yamaha 242 Limited S here at Grand Sports Center in Lake in the Hills, Illinois. Very clean jet boat. It's got twin high output engines, only 86 hours. Beautiful black gel coat finish. Got a stainless rubrail, pop-up cleats, stainless deck rails. Got docking lights up front. Sits on a tandem axle aluminum trailer with spare. Trailer also has a swing away tongue for storage. Got a front swim step. Very nice open bow. Large seating area with fill-in cushions. You've also got a front boarding ladder along with anchor storage. Very reflective. Great looking boat. It also has a folding wake tower with bimini canvas. Also includes snap-on bow and cockpit covers. Large rear swim step. Got rear facing seating, step through transom design, drop down swim ladder. You also have a stereo remote. The whole boat has been outfitted with non-slip by Blacktip Jetsports. You see there's a mount for the removable table. Get a closer look at the rear seating. Nice large bimini canvas. Wrap around rear seat. Got storage under both side cushions. There's an in-floor storage locker up front. Swivel driver and passenger bucket seats. The driver's seat does have a flip-up base. Another mount for the removable table. Got dual batteries, battery switches, along with a plug-in battery charger. There's your table. Got a tilt steering helm. Flip that up. You do have flip-up armrests on the bucket seats as well. Yamaha Connext display. You also have 2 tachometers, gauge readouts. As you can see, only 86 hours of runtime. On the passenger side, you do have some glove box storage locations. 1 and 2, a little larger one here. You also have access to this room here. You put a porta potty in there. Fill it up with boating gear, whatever you want. There's your in-floor ski locker. This boat does have some basic safety gear included. Large open bow seating area. See the fill-in cushions. Everything's very clean. Nice bright white vinyls. Got this fold-out walk-through door. and a storage location on the driver's side. Access behind the helm. Flip this open. There are your twin high output engines. You can pop out the filling cushion so you get a look at the open bow. The front corner cushions are also removable. We have storage under both sides. Windshield with a black frame. Check out our full list of available boats for sale, updated daily on our website, grandsportcenter.com. Give us a follow on Facebook. We post specials and new arrivals there. Give us a call with any questions, 847-458-6488. Like, subscribe, share, and as always, thank you for watching.